Hey everyone, hope everyone's having an awesome weekend. We're going to be looking at the new Astro A30 wireless headset. This is a headset that just came out from Astro this past month. So we're going to start with an unboxing portion of the review, and then I'm going to be spending a week with this and give you my initial opinions. Let's hop into it. Okay, so yeah, we're going to start the unboxing. So let's do this. Let's do this little tab here. It should be good to go there. Yeah, I think we just pulled this out, I think. Yeah, so that comes right out. And yeah, so it does come with a case. So, and yeah, it's all in here. There's a little manual that they have in here. It just tells you how to operate the headset. Let's see what it actually looks like. I've been waiting so long for this. Let's see. Ooh, that's definitely, that's a little smaller than I. Oh, so it's really heavy. It's definitely heavy. Yeah, let's see what else is in here. There's our detachable boom mic, so you can use this. So there's two mic. Oh, and there's the whoop. It's all over the place. Yeah, so we've got the boom mic, detachable boom mic that you can just plug in. We also have the wireless transmitter, so you can use this wirelessly. And then what else is in this little packet? So there's also, let's open this up. So there's also a couple wires. It does charge over USB-C. So I think that's what this is USB-C to USB-A charging cable. Yep, so that's our USB-C charging cable, although I have a whole bunch of those upstairs. And this should be the 3.5 millimeter audio jack, which it is. So the cool thing about this headset is you can use it in 3 different ways. It's got 3 different connections. You can use you can use the transmitter, you can use Bluetooth, and you can also use as a wired headset with 3.5 millimeter audio cable. So yeah, and it comes in this nice, cool little case. So it's good for traveling. Yeah, so that's kind of the unboxing portion of it. Alright, so yeah, that's the unboxing. Let's spend the week with this and get to the review. See you in a week. Alright, so after a week with the A30, I definitely have some thoughts on it. Let's take a look. The A30 has multiple controls. On the right can, we've got a power button, a Bluetooth button, a joystick for changing settings, and a USB-C port for charging. On the left can, we have a mic toggle, a 3.5 millimeter audio jack, and a port for the detachable boom mic. For the battery, a full charge gives the headset 27 hours of use, which is lower than some headsets I've seen, but still pretty good. As mentioned before, the A30 charges over USB-C, which has been the norm for most headsets. The A30 has 2 microphones. It has one built-in, and you can attach a boom mic. The headset will automatically switch to the boom mic once attached, and will switch back to the built-in mic once detached. The boom mic is adjustable, but I found that it did have to work at it a little bit. The boom mic was a bit close to my mouth, but after adjusting it for a while, my audio was a lot better. The built-in mic is pretty good too. Stick around for a few mic tests. The A30 is extremely versatile. It has 3 connections, 2.4 GHz Lightspeed wireless, Bluetooth, and can connect over a 3.5 millimeter audio cable. The headset can play audio from any of these connections at the same time. For Lightspeed, the headset communicates with this USB dongle. It comes in 2 versions, one for PlayStation, one for Xbox. Regardless of the supported console, the dongle can be used on PC and Mac. For Bluetooth, it can connect to any Bluetooth-enabled device, and both mics will work. The headset can also be used as a wired headset by using the 3.5mm audio jack and cable. It can function without being on, so you'll be able to save battery life while using this option. The A30 is pretty comfortable. I found that I can go for hours before I felt uncomfortable with it. The drivers fit right on my ears. The headband is also adjustable, so if you have a different size head, you should be able to adapt to it without any problems. The A30's build quality is pretty good. It's built with a premium plastic that's hard to break. However, there is some flex, but not a whole lot. That being said, the headset feels really secure on my head, and it won't fly off if I turn my head really fast. To adjust the settings of the A30, you'll need the Logitech G Hub App for iOS and Android. The app detects the headset over its Bluetooth connection. It allows you to change settings such as profiles, equalizers, microphone settings, and volume. You can also switch between PC mode and console mode. The A30's sound is okay. I wouldn't call it amazing, it's not noise cancelling, but it gets the job done. It's very clear, I can hear both the game audio and voice chat without any problems. Alright, so this is the mic test with the A30. This is running off of the boom mic, running off of the Lightspeed wireless dongle. There might be some puffs here and there because my boom mic hasn't been completely adjusted. I'm still working on that, but as you can see, it does sound quite clear. I mean, compared to a wired headset, it's not going to be crystal clear, but you should be able to hear me, and this won't be a problem if you're in a game chat or, let's say, a Zoom call. Okay, and now this is the same setup with the Lightspeed wireless dongle, but now we're using the built-in mic. It does sound, as you can see, the waves are definitely a lot bigger, so this is obviously a much more sensitive mic. But yeah, no, this is how it sounds without with just the built-in mic. Okay, so now we're testing on the Bluetooth connection. So I'm recording from my phone. This is with the boom mic. It does sound. The waves are getting up there. They're about the same as what you would expect on the wireless dongle. But yeah, this is what it sounds like, and yeah. Okay, so this is the same Bluetooth connection from my phone. This time we're using the built-in mic instead of the boom mic. It does sound a little different, but it's pretty much the same. But yeah, no, this is me talking. This is, the Astro A30 and all that. Yeah. All right, we're testing the 3.5mm audio jack now with the cable. As you can see, and it's actually a lot louder. So one thing to note is the boom mic does not work while this is turned off. Only the built-in mic will work. So just keep that in mind when you're using it as a wired headset. So what do I think about the Astro A30? I think it's a great value. I think it's a great headset. There are a couple things that I may have to adjust since I've only had this for a week. But I've really enjoyed I've really enjoyed using it, on Discord, or in gaming. It works really well. It's been working really well with. I use it in VR, with the 3.5mm audio cable. That works out really well. I'm using it in meetings, at work, and everyone can hear me just fine. I think for its value, it's pretty good. So yeah, so that's kind of the review, and if you want to check this out, I'll put the link down below, and if you have any comments, questions, or like suggestions or opinions, feel free to put those down in the comments, and if you haven't already, feel free to subscribe and like this video. It helps out a ton, and yeah, thanks for watching and have a good one. Take care.